Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn switch statement in JavaScript and write code to build a calculator app. So let's get started. The switch statement in JavaScript is like a decision-making tool. It helps you check a value and decide what code to run based on that value. Instead of writing many if-else conditions, you can use switch to make your code cleaner and easier to read. The syntax of switch statement is: start with a value you want to check. The switch compares this value with several cases. If it matches a case, the code inside that case runs. If no cases match, the code inside the default runs. That is it for today. I hope you found this explanation helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tech tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching,